The 2026 Aprilia RSV4 is one of those motorcycles that instantly reminds you why Italian superbikes have such a loyal following. From the very first glance, it feels like a machine built with one goal in mind: delivering pure performance without sacrificing style. The sharp aerodynamic fairings, aggressive front winglets, compact tail section, and race-inspired bodywork give it an unmistakable presence. Whether it's parked outside a cafe or sitting in the pit lane, the RSV4 demands attention. Every line has a purpose, making the bike look fast even when it's standing still. Climb aboard and the riding position immediately tells you this is a serious sport bike, yet it feels surprisingly natural. The controls fall perfectly into place, creating a connection between rider and machine that builds confidence from the very first mile. Press the starter, and the legendary Aprilia RSV4 engine comes to life with a deep, distinctive growl that quickly transforms into an exciting high-rev scream. The throttle response is crisp and incredibly smooth, delivering power exactly when you ask for it. Whether you're accelerating onto the highway, carving through mountain roads, or enjoying a weekend track session, the RSV4 feels eager to perform. The engine offers thrilling acceleration throughout the rev range, while remaining refined enough for everyday riding, making every twist of the throttle feel rewarding. What truly separates the 2026 RSV4 from many competitors is its outstanding handling. The lightweight aluminum chassis feels incredibly balanced, allowing the motorcycle to change direction with remarkable precision. It feels planted through fast corners and stable under heavy braking, giving riders the confidence to push their limits safely. Premium suspension keeps the ride controlled over rough pavement while maintaining excellent feedback through every turn. Powerful Brembo brakes provide impressive stopping performance with smooth, predictable feel, making aggressive riding feel controlled rather than intimidating. The motorcycle never feels heavy or difficult to manage, which is one of the reasons so many experienced riders admire Aprilia's engineering. Technology also plays a huge role in the riding experience. The RSV4 comes equipped with advanced rider aids, including multiple riding modes, traction control, wheelie control, cornering ABS, launch control, cruise control, engine brake adjustment, and a quick shifter that delivers seamless upshifts and downshifts. Everything is displayed on a bright full-color TFT screen that's easy to read in different lighting conditions. These electronic systems work quietly in the background, helping the rider stay confident without taking away the excitement that makes this motorcycle so special. For riders in the United States looking for a premium superbike that combines race-proven engineering, breathtaking performance, and everyday usability, the 2026 Aprilia RSV4 deserves serious attention. It's more than just a fast motorcycle. It's an emotional riding experience that blends Italian craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and incredible performance into one unforgettable package. Every ride feels special, every corner feels exciting, and every mile reminds you why the RSV4 continues to be one of the world's most respected superbikes.